Hello, friends. So finally, the exam day is here. So it's 4th of December. So we are going to appear in the exam. The most important tip I need to share with you is that we will not let our morale go down till the time we submit the 300th question. Guys, I can understand the anxiety. I can understand the restlessness you have within you. That what kind of exam is going to be, there in the real, paper, whatever it may be, whatever it may be, we will not let our morale go down. When I say we'll not let our morale go down, what do I mean? That we will look at every question with a like an opportunity to score one mark out of the 300. And you all know we need to score 150 out of 300 without any negative marking over there. So why to feel scared of difficult questions? We already know that there will be approximately 80-90 questions which will be unknown to us. That's the rule of the game, and we would not get scared with those kind of things happening around. We may get, you know, one question, two question, or a series of three, four question in a sequence which you'll not be knowing. Believe me, trust me, that just remember my face over there, smile, and mark the most beautiful choice and go ahead. And never come back to that question because there's no negative marking. And when we don't know a question, generally the first choice which pops out in mind is the correct choice. Okay? But again, I'll come back to one thing that you guys are very smart people, you guys are very sharp people, and you guys have really read a lot. I know that there'll be fear that I don't know everything, but that's fine. But you know optimal enough to pass the exam. Okay. The only thing is that you need to now maintain that I would keep my morale high. I would not really get too much scared after seeing 10, 20 odd question, 10, 20, 30 long statement based question, whatever it may be, whatever one liner, long statement, images, whatever it may be, whatever I know, I will try to solve that question to the best of my abilities. And till the time I submit the 300 question, I declare my paper over. I would be acting like a warrior. A warrior means it is not that only strength is there in a warrior. Warrior also knows the weaknesses, but warriors keeps fighting till the time the last bullet is shot. Okay, so please maintain that positivity within you. Please keep reminding yourself that it is a screening exam in which you need to score 50% to pass the exam. And if you maintain the stability, the calmness, the positivity, and that hunger to score one mark out of every question, in spite of having a lot of difficult questions, no problem, no problem. Let's give it our best shot, beta. And you remember the tagline we always do in the class also. I am going to do my best in the exam. Baki jo hoga dekha jayega. That is not being careless. That is being fearless. So let's be fearless. Let's do our level best. And may God bless you all, bache. And may everyone pass. Best wishes and prayers for my side for all of you. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and be always, always, always optimistic and be in very high morale. Okay. And I'm sure you're going to do wonders. Bye bye. Take care.